Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I get to draw cartoons and stuff. My name is Tony, but my friends call me Tone. I'm back again with another character mashup, and this one is probably the most annoying of them all.
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
If you don't want to miss any of my videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Our destiny is in the hands of our Wheel of Fate, so let's get straight to the video. Our first pick is gonna be Spongebob Squarepants. Okay, I don't think I need to tell you who Spongebob Squarepants is.
That's his eager face.
Everybody knows who he is. They have tons of merchandise with his face on it. There's t-shirts, blankets, purses, pillows, tons of stuff. And whatever this is. But moving on. Our second pick is gonna be Woodpecker. Now some people might not know who this is. He's a little old school, although he had a recent movie and some updated cartoons on YouTube. He's basically some annoying woodpecker that's always getting into trouble, and he has this annoying laugh. You know the one. And come to think of it, both of these characters have a history of being annoying. Oh no, what have I done? Oh well, let's sketch it out. I finished the sketching phase, and just looking at it makes me want to punch it. He's the kind of person that would say why over and over and over again just to get on your nerves.
Mommy! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi.
I gave him the body of Woody and clothes of SpongeBob, the beak of a bird, and eyes of Squarepants.
Wah, wah, wah.
Yikes. As for the colors, I couldn't decide whether to make him red, blue, or yellow, so I made all versions, and I'll show them at the end. Let me know which one you like in the comments below. Okay, I'm not gonna even attempt to give this guy a name. I'll let you decide his name, and let me know in the comments below. And there he is, the final product. Boo! Thanks for checking out my video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. See you later.